Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again at euro currency. So you could see the market mostly stands in the same area in tight range near the top, which is potentially might be treated as a bullish sign. So, but at the same time, everything, this action stands in a row with our plan that we discussed. So we said 109.50, 109.55 will be an important level. So depending on what will happen, whether the market will break it up or it will remain below it, this might be different action. This market could choose different direction, but now market is still on the way to this level. And here, from that standpoint, we don't have a final clarity. Just need to see what will happen. Meantime, still, if we'll take a look at the dollar index, for example, you could see that gap open to the downside and it's downward action here, although it's not very significant, not very extended, but still, this is probably will be supportive for gold market for the euro currency as well. On the 10-year bonds we also see some retracement. It's very small, but it's also at least this action doesn't press on the performance on the euro and now works against the strength of the United States dollar, so it's going down as well. On the lower time frame, particularly speaking in euro currency on the 4-day frame chart, here I would keep an eye on the combination of the MACD predictor with this price. It still have some distance, but this is 4-hour time frame chart, and probably today or in the beginning next session, here might be important patterns might be formed. So for instance, if we'll get the bearish grabber, it also will have significant meaning for short-term perspective. Meantime, on the hourly chart, this is the picture mostly the same as we discussed yesterday. We have the same ABCD. You can see OP has been completed. Now market is going higher, and we said that keep an eye on this 109.55 area by the two reasons. So for those who would like to buy, it will be some kind of the indicator. So if market will break it up, it might be the signal that market is ready for upper continuation, and very probable it might be some butterfly to be formed later here. It's upward continuation. If euro currency remains under this level, will not break it up, it will keep chances on the possible downside A, B, C, top T pattern, some more extended downside retracement based on some kind of the hand and shoulders or just on this ABCD pattern. So I suggest that this some kind of the indicator level for short-term market direction. Correspondingly, if you would like to take the short position, you could start thinking about it already because market stands relatively close. It looks good. Some combination of this level and extension which calls an agreement, but not necessarily market could just slightly not reach this level. It's also might possible, so just keep an eye on it, and if you'd like to go short, it's an area that you need to watch for, because this is best area for taking the short position, not because of the guaranteed success, but because of the minimum loss. So if market by somehow will still break it, your loss will be minimal. Besides this agreement support, it's not a bad combination at all, just because technically it could provide minimum downside respect of this area because it's relatively strong. That could let you to move stops to the break-even. So you have, first of all, you will have ability to place tight stops. Second, you will have good chances to turn your trade in the break-even. That's why this area is worth it to consider if you are a scalp trader and trade on the intraday charts and you're watching some steps for taking the short position. For the bulls, as I said, either break out or just wait when this downside retracement will happen, and then we'll return back to the idea of the possible position taking.